Welcome to my channel. This is MG with Pat. Today we're gonna talk about the MG Pilot, and I will show you how to start it, and I will show you how to use it as well. So this is tips and tricks number 8. It's more tips and tricks, but anyhow, so let's start. Well, that's how we start. So you go and press on car, and then you see on the top, focus, on the top you have the MG. So you press on that one and it's on. So we are ready to start. You don't need to have any lane assist or anything on when you put it on. The MG Pilot will use the whole thing. You can see it's off. So I show you from this side. The lever has to be pulled once back. Press on the button and twice. 1, 2, quite quickly, and you can see that. I just have to put it a little bit dark. You can see that on the right side here you have the sign of the MG Pilot that just turned yellow. So it means that it's ready, and when the conditions are perfect, then you can drive. Well, to start the MG Pilot, you have to be sure that the AC level is placed in the middle. If it's forward, it's stopped. If it's in the middle, it's the usual position. Then what you do, you see that on the bottom, just here, on the bottom left, you have the ACC engaged. Then you press on the button, the green one, and it starts in ACC. If I take the level twice toward me quite fast, you have the other control lighting in green, and the car is actually driving alone. As you see, sometimes there are faults, and that's normal because I'm on the country road. I'm just going to show you. I'm a country road with no cars in front. So if you drive below 37 miles an hour or 60 kilometers an hour, then the MG Pilot needs a car in front to be guided, or it needs that the line are quite alright. So what happens is you will see the logo on the right side on the bottom will turn orange. When it's green, it's armed, ready to go, and when it's orange, it's just on the waiting. When you go above 60 kilometers an hour or 37 miles per hour, then it will just had someone coming towards me with big lights. So he will not need a car in front. He will drive by itself, and he will follow the road. The thing is, you have to hold the hand on your steering wheels, because the MG Pilot is just here to help you drive your car. It's not an autopilot that can drive alone. So I think that's all the information I have on the MG Pilot. I'm not using it a lot, but I think it's funny to use it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to post some comments and subscribe. Bye bye.